Hey folks, coming at you once again from the man cave. I think I'm gonna go on a hiking trip this weekend. Give y'all something else to look at besides this depressing building here. But Paul 51 Foxy had commented on my pistol, my 9mm, and he was talking about how they're not allowed to have pistols over there. The only thing they can have are shotguns. Oh, drinking me some hot chocolate. What's his name? Effie Jr. He sent me this cup here. It keeps it hot, I'll tell you that. That gum. I've been trying to get it to cool off for a good 20 minutes now. It still burned the hair off your tongue. Not the cup, but the hot chocolate. I'm not much of a coffee drinker. I'll drink coffee sometimes, but not like a lot of folks. You know, a lot of folks drink it every day, all day, but not me. I like my hot chocolate. But anyways, I was talking about the pistol, and Paul had commented on it, 51 Foxy, and so I told him I had another one, a little 25, I would make a video. Now this one here, I got it from my daddy. I had it was a 22 rifle, but it was it was a scary looking thing anyways, and this was years and years ago, and Daddy, he wanted me to get rid of it, but I didn't want to, and he said, "You're gonna get in trouble with that thing." So he had this little old pistol right here, this little 25, and I don't know what difference it made, but he told me one day, he said, "I'll trade you this little pistol for that rifle." So I said, "That sounds good to me," but it's just a little 25, but the handle, I have no idea. I never did ask him about the handles. It's got bone handle on it. I mean, naturally, it's not original handle, but I have no idea if he made the handles, or what. That's just something I never asked him. But yeah, the gun, it needs some desperate attention. It needs to be re-blued. I've never shot it. I've had it for about 15 years. Yeah, I guess about 15 years, and I've never shot it. Now my kids, they've shot it. Well, I may have shot it a time or two, but I don't know. Like I said, I was reading on this thing though. It's something that gets me. Alright, now it says Hunter Firearms on the side right here, Hollywood, California. But up above it here it says made in Italy. That just don't make a whole lot of sense to me, unless there's a Hollywood, California in Italy. On the other side it says 25 cal Maxim model, MAXIM model, made in Italy. But I don't know. And on this side it's got Hunter Firearms Manufacturing Company, Hollywood, California. I'm not sure how that can be, how it can be made in, I don't know, maybe the parts was made in Italy and it was assembled in Hollywood, California. I don't know. But anyways, I just told Paul I would show him this pistol, and man, that sucks. Y'all can't have pistols over there. He says all they're allowed to have over there are shotguns. I've got a shotgun, that 12 gauge right there. It's just a single shot, but this here also belonged to my daddy. I've never shot it, and I've had this gun 10 years, I think. I may have got it whenever he passed away. I can't remember. But dadgum, I can't remember how I got it. But anyways, I've heard this thing here kicks like a mule. It's just a old single shot 12 gauge. My oldest boy, and he shot it, and he said it'll leave a bruise on you. Trying to see. Pardner model SB1 12 gauge, New England Firearms. But this thing, it needs to be cleaned bad. Dang piece of paper just fell out of the barrel. Huh. About that. But I guess it shoots. I mean, like I said, I ain't never shot it, but that oldest boy of mine, he shot it a few times. But I got some shells right over there by the door. I've got a buckshot and a slug, I think. Yep, that's a slug right there. Where are you? Yeah, that'll knock a daylight gap in you right there. And oh, that feels like birdshot. It's high brass. Oh, it's double-aught buckshot. Yep. Okay. Well. Alright, well, I guess that's it, folks. I just mainly wanted to show Paul this pistol right here. Oh, look behind me. Finally got me a door up back there. It ain't the greatest looking something, but it's still a door. Trying to get all that straightened up back there so I can get my little bedroom in order back there and move this bed out of the living room, I guess. I don't know which. I guess living room. God, it's hot in here. I built a fire right here in my little wood cook stove. It ain't near cold enough to be building a fire, but I wanted some hot chocolate, and I'm out of gas for my little, that's a gas one-eye burner, whatever you call it, and the bottle's out of gas. It takes those little cylinder bottles about that big, and they're about yay big around. I don't know, I just hadn't got any to replace it, but anyhow, that's why I built the fire, to make me some hot chocolate. Probably go, I think I will. This weekend I'm going to go to Oak Mountain, and they got, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's 52 miles of trails. I'm not going to hike that far. I don't guess. I might. I don't know. But it take me about Take me about 4 days to hike that far. Nah, I ain't gonna hike that far, but I'm going anyways. Oh my goodness. I had something else on my mind. I don't remember what it was. But, well, I guess I just really got bored. You get bored sitting out here by yourself. Nobody to talk to. Alan, he calls me a good bit. And Ed, Lumberman 2011. I would go in my house, but there's too much going on in there. So it's better to be out here and be bored. And yeah, so anyhow, okay, well that's it. I guess next time I get back with y'all, I'll be on the trail, and that's a good idea. Yeah, that's what I need too, is to get away, just to get slap ass away for a few days. Get out of this little bitty cabin. It don't take long to get cabin fever in a cabin this small, I guarantee you. Alright folks, well, y'all have good whatever, and we'll see y'all on the trail. Later, Tater.